perfect eyelash application. Gently remove the eyelashes off the plastic seats using eyelash tweezers, and then I'm going to measure it against my eyes. You want to mimic the natural width of your eyelashes, and then I'm going to cut off the excess using sharp scissors, holding it so I don't cut off any stray hairs, and also looking for the front because sometimes there's a little extra on the lash band. Then I'm going to apply a thin layer of lash glue on the lashes, and I'm going to dot some on my eyelid. Aiming for my real eyelashes, I'm going to align the lash strip and my real ones, and then I'm going to push it up to the skin just above my real lashes to get that security. I like to stick the middle first, then do the ends if it doesn't all go on in one instance. Then I will squeeze the lashes with my real ones with the tweezer. I don't like mascara, so I just use a little bit afterwards, and I use a lash curler to really stick them together if I want to open up my eye. And that's
Alright,
it.
so a lot of people have been asking me how I put on my lashes, and I want to teach you guys how to get a pretty clean application. This Kiss Lash Glue is only $3 at Walmart, or you can get it at CVS, it's cheap, or you can get it at Amazon for $3, okay? Corner like this. And out your outer corner. Next step is to put glue only in the middle part, because remember, you already put glue in your inner and outer corner. Alright, we're just going to be putting it in our inner corner like that. Next, we're going to take our lash and fit it to the outer corner. You're going to be doing this motion to make sure that your lashes stick together. If you want maximum strength, you add a layer to your eyes and to the eyelashes. And if you have glue residue, you take it off with this mascara declumper. It's like $1 on AliExpress. And here they are up close and from the side.
Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my individual lashes. You'll need individual lashes, eyelash glue, and tweezers for placement. The first thing I do is pick up the individual lash with the tweezers and put a little drop of glue. I like to make sure that the glue is almost all the way dry so that it's very tacky and easy to place. Then I start placing them under my natural lash line. I like to work slowly here because it's completely normal for your eyes to water, and if that does happen, you can just take a little break in between lashes. You'll also see here that I take the end of the tweezer and slightly push the lashes up so that they stick better and they have that lifted effect. Once you're sure that the lash glue has completely dried, I like to go in very gently with an eyelash curler to curl them. You want to make sure that the lash glue is completely dried, otherwise you risk the eyelash curler ripping the lashes out. Here I'm showing you how they look under in case you wanted to see the placement up close, and then I'm showing you the before and after. And that's it. I hope this video helped, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!